Download AutoHotKey. Click on Download v1.1. Open Roblox and Windows Spy. Windows Spy is used to find the exact hex colors of pixels and to find coordinates. Download .ahk file from Pastabin link in description. Open the file in Notepad or VS Code or any software you like. Then go back to Roblox with Windows Spy. Click on the water until you get tap message. Move your cursor to the top left of the border and make sure it's inside the black light. Hold Shift to freeze the coordinates and click on the Windows Spy. Copy the screen coordinates and paste it where I did in the .ahk file. Now do the same for bottom right. This is important because every display has different size and resolutions. Now open AutoClicker. Click on Hotkey Settings. Click on Start a Stop and press any key to make it your keybind. In my case it is H. Set click interval to 0 milliseconds. And set click repeat to 250 times. Go to the .ahk file and edit the send comment to your keybind. Exactly where I am doing. Then press Ctrl+S to save it file. Press F5 to start and stop the script and let it do its work.
Hi.